ladies. For our lesson today on Monday, March 23rd, we're going to be practicing multiplying two fractions together. So remember, when we multiply two fractions, we don't need a common denominator. You're only just going to multiply straight across the top and straight across the bottom. So starting with this first one, we have 1 times 1. We know 1 times 1 is 1. And then we multiply straight across the bottom. 3 times 4 is 12. So our answer for this one would be 1/12. The next one, we have 9 times 1, which is 9. So focusing on that numerator first. Then we focus on the denominators. 10 times 2 is 20. We want to ask ourselves, can we simplify this fraction? Can I take any sort of number and divide it by 9 and 20? Are there any numbers that go into 9 and 20? No, there are not. So 9/20 would be simplest form. Coming down to the next one, looking at our numerators, 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6 for our denominator. And then we want to ask ourselves, can we simplify this? Can our top number, can our numerator equally go into our denominator? Yes, it can. So we're going to divide by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So the simplest form for this problem would be 1/3. Next one, 3 times 11 is 33. 5 times 12 is 60. And then we want to look at this problem. Can 33 equally go into 60? No, but are there any other numbers that I can use to divide? So looking at this problem, we can figure out, we can divide by 3, at least to start. 33 divided by 3 is 11. 60 divided by 3 is 20. Can I simplify it even more? No, because 11 is a prime number, so nothing else can go into 11. So 11/20 would be my correct answer. Down below, we have 1/2 of 8/9. We know that that word of represents multiplication. So we're just multiplying straight across like normal. 1 times 8 is 8. 2 times 9 is 18. And then I want to ask myself, can I simplify this problem? Are they both even numbers? Yes. So then I know I can divide at least by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 18 divided by 2 is 9. So then my answer would be 4/9. Next I have 2/3 of 4/5. Remember, of means to multiply. 2 times 4 gives me 8. 3 times 5 is 15. 8 and 15 are not both even numbers. 8 is an even number, 15 is an odd number, so we cannot divide by 2. If we think about the number 8, we can divide by 2, 4, and 8. But none of those numbers we can divide into 15 evenly, so our answer is 8/15. Down at the bottom, we have a problem with order of operations. Within the parentheses, which we know we have to do first, is addition. We have to first look and see, do they have a common denominator? 5 and 5, yes they do, so we can add those two together without finding one. So 3 plus 1 gives me 4. My denominator stays the same when I'm adding fractions. And then I'm going to multiply that by 2/3. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 5 is 15. And then we look at that problem up above. We already said that we could not simplify that, so 8/15 is my correct answer. So today for your assignment, you're going to go to pearsonrealize.com and you're going to log in using your login information, your first period last name, and then your college and your class number for your password. You have an assignment that is listed as Monday, March 23rd. You're going to complete both of those assignments. There's also a video that you can watch and also a game that you can play. So there's a lot of different activities to complete today, as well as some supplemental activities that can help you with the assignment. If you have extra time, I encourage you to go on Prodigy for a little bit of extra fun math, as well as Freckle, and you can work on fact practice and Freckle math free choice. But make sure that you go on Pearson Realize and making sure that you are completing those assignments that have been assigned for today. I'll see you tomorrow.